Hare Krishna. Today we are going to make sweet and tangy pumpkin potato sabzi. So here I have taken half pumpkin and 4 big potatoes. Half pumpkin as in 500 grams of pumpkin. I have chopped them and washed them well. Also I have taken 4 green chilies. Chopped them well. So here I have taken a heavy bottom kadhai and adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and half a tablespoon of methi dana. Adding half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and half a tablespoon of asafoetida. Mix them well. And now your masala is ready. So I am adding chopped green chilies over here. And now I am adding all the potatoes that I have cut. Stir the potato nicely so that all the masalas get coated. And now I am adding half a tablespoon of salt. Only half a tablespoon I am adding right now. Half a tablespoon I will add when I will add pumpkin. Now I have closed the lid. Once I open the lid, I think around 5 to 10 minutes and my potatoes are done. They are soft. At this point of time, I will add pumpkin. Mix them nicely so that all the masalas get coated. As I told, here I am adding half a tablespoon of salt and now lots of red chilies. Yes, lots of red chilies because this is going to be sweet and tangy. So to balance that taste, here I have added Kashmiri lal mirch, which is not very chili, but it will add good color to your sabzi. Now I am adding 1 cup of water and closing the lid. Once I open the lid, I have added here jaggery powder. Yes, half a cup of jaggery will be fine. And last but not the least, here I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry mango powder. So totally it becomes sweet and tangy. You can have this sabzi with puris or parathas, generally made in festivals. So our sabzi is ready. We can garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and your sabzi is ready. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Basics by AJ.